What's up, Ruby?
I'm not Ruby. I'm Daddy.
No, I'm Daddy.
Oh, hi, Daddy. How are you?
No, I'm Ruby.
Oh my gosh, I am so confused.
What are we going to make today?
Ice cream.
What kind?
Let's do chocolate. Is chocolate ice cream your favorite kind?
Yeah.
It is?
And that's the strawberry?
Also strawberry? Maybe we'll do strawberry in the future.
What do we need to make chocolate ice cream?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Daddy, what's this?
Oh, that's milk.
What's this?
Chocolate chips.
What's this?
Eggs.
What's this?
Sugar.
What's this?
Cocoa powder.
What's this?
That little one, a little bit of salt.
What's that?
That one over here is cream. So those are all the ingredients we need for chocolate ice cream.
Let's get started.
What does his fingers do in here? ice cream's ready. You Bunny Ruby? Sunglasses Bunny Ruby? Those are cool shades, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like them a lot.
I bought them at Disney store.
I know, I was there. Oh, ice cream. Cool. You ready? You hungry?
Yes.
You still have room in your belly for more ice cream? We've eaten so much ice cream lately. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
All right, here I go. All right, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
I think I got some in my mustache. 5 ice creams in like 3 days. I think we really like ice cream, don't we?
Yes.
What do you think? Super good?
Super duper good.
Super duper good. Thanks for helping. Should we make another kind of ice cream?
Mm-hmm. Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry, or if anybody has any ideas, leave a comment. No ice left. It's just cream now. It looks like a chocolate milkshake. Worst case scenario, chocolate ice cream melts. You have a chocolate milkshake. Can't complain about that.
Thank you for watching. Arigato gozaimasu.
Okay, thanks, Ruby. Good job.
I wet my face. You're not a good dancer.
I know. Like 39 years and I still can't figure out how to dance.
I'll teach you next time.
Perfect.
All you need to do is just wear a costume.
Just wear a costume and then I'm a better dancer?
Yeah.
Well, maybe I'll try that. That's cool. I don't know if I fit into your dresses though.
You're going to wear something else bigger. That's a great angle. The future is tomorrow morning.
Technically speaking, the future is everything in the future.
Ooh.
Do you know?
What's this?
Oh, milk.
What's this?
Chocolate chips. I had to check it out.
What's this?
Snow?
No.
What is it? Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay. See, I'm gonna show you inside. Look. It's just powder. Cocoa powder. Smell it. What do you think? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it questionable? You need more information. It makes you want to hide. You breathed in too much cocoa powder? Are you hiding from the cocoa powder now? Okay.
Subscribe for a channel. Meet Mom Boop.
No more burps.
Thank you for watching. Oh, yeah.